Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a blank page in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So in order to delete a blank page, it's very simple. Just go down to the page you want to delete. So you can see our second page is just blank here. Go up to the top of the page, so whatever page in question, and you want to get that cursor up in the top left corner. Tap the backspace key on your keyboard, and then it should automatically remove that page and just go back up to whatever page is above it. And you can see the page count also reflects this as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.